morning guys. We're day back with another video. Seen by the title, I don't know what the video all about already. You see me? Yeah man, I'm teaching survival. I'm showing you different type of videos and different ways how to cook. Yeah man. Today we're gonna roast chicken in a bamboo. I have enough more of them video forward now, so you can subscribe and stay tuned if you love to see them kind of video. Yeah man. I already have the bamboo already. So I'm gonna show you shortly. The chicken at our wood, because I use all of it, I use piece of it because at first I do this, so I now use one chicken, I use piece, right? So I want to do guys, I want to drop a like on the video. I want to leave a comment down below, tell me one thing about this video. I want to share the video guys. Yeah man, share it out man, share it out. Get other people know about me and see this video. And when you share it, make sure to tell them to subscribe. People, I burn up YouTube, I overload YouTube, BA videos back to back. Enough content like this are forward, enough out of the box content are forward, enough mind blowing content are forward to the subscribe and stay tuned. Yeah man. There are so much videos in the pipeline, so much videos are forward. I just be patient with me and I can chat a little. It's because I can't do everything one time. Rome maybe no one day, so I just do little. Yeah man. For the IG because before I post on YouTube, I snippet post on IG. So from my IG, so I'm going to actually post on YouTube to just do it and follow on IG. Jeff876 and Yatsa Ventures. Scroll along and see two link them. Just click it, go over there and give me a follow. And make sure you subscribe to the channel here. If you don't subscribe it, put the bell on all because if you don't put it on all, you now know when I video drop to us. Subscribe, tap on all, drop a like and a comment. Yeah man, so I'm showing what I'm going now. Soon come back. Yeah man guys, enough bamboo here so. And I might run them but I can take one and take piece of one, you see me? Yeah man. You can take one. You can take. Yeah man, one fat and nice. But I'm still thinking about that. Right, so see bamboo here, right? But palm one, I want giant. A giant here, burst. So I'm making the giant here. That is a burst, and inside of it burst. So I'm gonna do cut it right here, so put it a giant here. So you can use this giant. This giant, good. Yeah man. So cut it now, link on the back. Yeah man, yeah. So I'm cut off piece, eh? Yeah man. So I'm cut off right here, so now the breast part here. Yeah man, cut out the part here. Alright guys, don't cut it, but this have two bursts we never see. The one near there so, and one right here so. We never see them two bursts, you know. See the line right here so. We never see it, but I think you can go. I think the same way. See how more here either too. But maybe the same way. So I clean it inside of here so, but first I neat up the edge. The edge here, yeah. And then find something and clean out inside of here so. You know them the coconut hooks. When you got the coconut, yeah. So you can find them there to clean out inside of here so I don't know inside of clean. But first I need to buy the edge a little bit. So you look chaka. Yeah, and clean it a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to cut a different one because I try cut the one smaller and the cracks then get worse and more. So this, see? No cracks, so I get something now to clean out inside of it. So come in and look something. Guys, remember, I did chop enough coconut down here, so. Yeah, man. So I had enough of them here. Then we can't even wash pot. So, I say, I show them survival. Yeah, man. Someone don't know I'm more than this. This good. So come in now. So you look at water inside of it. I'm cutting it a little bit shorter. Yeah, but so you can wash easy. Yeah, man. So I use the coconut box now and scrub up inside of it and then wash a little soap. But if you put it in the woods or wherever you're there, maybe you don't have no soap, so you can use all water all over this without no soap. You see me? So the soap is optional because when you take the place, you don't have soap. Yeah, man, as long as the heat catch it, all bacteria dead. Yeah, man, guys. So inside of it clean. Yeah, man. Yeah. So it's good to know, guys. So we can cut the chicken and everything there now. Yeah, but you can do it this way. I have to do this way. I can do the other way because if a man do, when you watch what inside of it, be careful because you don't want to get cut. You can turn the bomb like this and cut it like this, right? See, you can watch inside of it good. This way, if you try to push it on, or you can put whatever you want to watch inside of it and then just stick and turn it inside of it, yeah. Because any type of on it, we cut it, I know on that. Yeah, man, so chicken time now. Alright, guys, so see, chicken right here, so see the bamboo here, we're clean and nice. You don't know all that kind of stuff. Yeah, man, the calabash plate. Yeah, I'm gonna put it little this at night. Barbecue sauce, ketchup, salt, you know what I mean? My garlic, you see it's this, and onion, pimento. Yeah, man. So we're going to use as liquid for with the chicken. I don't know, you don't know. Coconut. So I'm gonna use no water. I'm gonna show you style. Yeah. So first, I'll get the chicken clean up. Cut off all them fat of the chicken. Yeah, man. I'll get the chicken all cleaned up. Yeah, man. Get the chicken cleaned up. See? Take off what I have on because I like chicken fat. Put leg na too. Put it tie. In here. Dogs them can get. That's over there, so. Add in garlic and speed. One, two. I should have the fire go and burn out to coal. They stick them, I burn it to coal. Yeah, man, that's what I go on. Add in pimento. Add in little powder seasoning. Don't know, mix it up. Add in ketchup all I go. And then add in spicy. Wow, too much that way. barbecue sauce, the spicy onion barbecue sauce. Mix up everything together, guys. I don't know. See? First one gone in. So that time now we pick kitchen to get the coconut. So that time now guys to pick the coconut. Two right here, so I take off the whole two and done. You see? And you drink one, two in one. Yeah man. Alright guys, so see the coconut here. Now put them on tonight. You see me? So drink the rest. We do on the right here, so. Nice. Meat just to have fun up night. Yeah man. But nice meat. Alright guys. So get the fire catcher now. And also I'm gonna get a cocoa leaf to make like a cover for this. Yeah man. So get the fire started and then look that. And guys, enough more than put it forward, you know. Because you can steam fish in the bamboo, you can cook crayfish in the bamboo. Enough of them things forward, you see me? So you can definitely stay tuned to see them thing there, you see me? Because enough money video forward. I say this year the channel is on a way different level. Enough things are forward man, so just do right and stay tuned. Yeah man guys. Be right, you know. So you don't know, after mixing everything I know. Mixing the coconut water with everything. So yeah, red hot guys. Put it in a nice piece and pack it. Pack the fire cool them around it. But I want to put it in the fire now and set it. And I make it fire burn me. That part, that challenging part now. I do it fast. I do it fast, guys. And then pack in time. Back in time. Yeah man guys, so this is it. So link on the back. Yeah man, so link on the back. I'm seeing the progress. My link on the back, you see me? Guys, you don't want a big fire and whatever you cook inside the bamboo don't cook and the bamboo burn out enough. So you have to slowly make the heat from the fire cool, heat of the bamboo, and then inside whatever inside the bamboo get heat up and cook also, you see me? So you want to eat slowly as possible. Yeah. See that guys? See start boil up now. Yeah man. It's a long wait. Cook my chicken in a bamboo. Yeah man, so it's all about survival. Alright guys, so as you can see, water just start boil up. Now I start getting the hang of it because I've been saying the first time I cook in a bamboo, so I don't know what to expect. Cause maybe say a low heat, but if we do it like that, it will take a longer time because as you know, the bamboo green So water in the bamboo. So basically when you put it on the fire, you want a good amount of heat, a fire on the bamboo, so basically dry out all the water from out of the bamboo so the heat can start pass through the bamboo. You see me? Because me just say boy, I don't want a big fire on the bamboo because we burn out fast. No. I want a big fire and then make all the water dry out of the bamboo so it start pass through and then you can keep on a low heat because as you see now the fire in a big pan it so me nah turn up the fire more pan it like add more stick. Yeah man. And I'm really glad to say it start cook now, start boil up because one time I say yo I'm for just leave it alone and just abort the mission, but I said no, you're mad Javon, me can't just give up so, me can't give up. Me done come far away already and something already, so why give up? No, because when the DNA now boil, I say just leave it alone now man, but start boil now, so you don't know. My link back now when you cook, so I'm so come back guys. Yeah man guys, yeah man. So this finish right now. As me say, this is all about survival, no pot. You see me? Yeah man. See? It gave you a chicken long nice. So this ready right about now. Yeah. So I take it off. Now get back on the leaf, fold it. Okay, I don't know. Can't burn up. I use one of them backwood leaf when I find my ground. Fold it. It's all about survival guys. So one day. I stuck in the bottom. So yeah guys, so I'm going to now. So I tired enough to taste, so I'm going for the chicken. Guys, I don't know how bamboo cooking now. Yeah. Yeah, no. Hot. Cooking back. I don't know. Yeah, man. I should done with that. Coconut. My tap is open. Eat the meat too. Guys, this nice everything. It was smoky. Barbecue flavor, you know. It can see barbecue. Smoke. Well nice. It is better than I think, I swear. I could do it again. Yeah man. I know people say boy I try to make it myself, you know. But I'm the first person to do this. But you want some survival video. I see one of them now on the river and on a pad. On a boat. But then use bamboo, if it's bamboo card, then on a pad. So it's all about survival. Yeah man, so kitchen video guys. And remember, share the video, show everybody. Show everybody man. And leave a like and a comment so we'll come back.